Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unbagging. So this diamond painting is from YZHI on Amazon. Disclaimer, they did send this to me for review for free, but I am going to give you my honest opinion. So they contacted me through the email that I have on YouTube, and they were like, do you want to review a diamond painting? And I was like, how'd you find me? But no, in my brain I was thinking that, but you know, since I'm such a new YouTuber, but you know, after thinking about it, I was like, sure, why not? They did give me their page on Amazon, and I went to look at it, and right now they just have a few items, but mostly just a few items, like less than 20, and some diamond paintings and some paint by numbers. It looks like their most popular diamond painting is a Star Wars one, but this is the one I chose, so here it is. Okay, is that the top? Okay, so it does come, you know, rolled up in just like one of these things, like those things that you get from a lot of companies. So this might need to be, what's it called, ironed, or you know, I think if you leave it long enough to flatten, it will flatten. But no, I plan to do this one right away because I plan to add the completion to the end of this video, so stay tuned, because I think a real review of anything is more than just the unboxing. So here it is. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of like a beach scene with palm trees here, and it looks like a sunset or a sunrise. It's probably a sunset, but yeah, no, I just wanted something. I'm a big fan of scenery and landscape, so this is what I got. So it looks like it has 20 colors, mostly letters and a few symbols, but they're all like, you know, normal keyboard symbols, maybe except the star, but a star is very obvious. Okay, so here's the drill field. I think it looks very clear. Yeah, I mean, there are guide circles, as in there is like a lighter outline around the letter, or yeah, but it's not like there's no black outline, so I don't think that will be an issue. But yeah, I think this will turn out well. Oh, I guess since this is a complete review, so it just looks like it's a basic toolkit, just the pen, boat, and wax, no multi-placers. And there are DMCs on this, and if you've seen all my dekitting videos, you do know I keep them. It looks like the diamonds are in these strip packages, where it looks like the DMC number, the number of the drill on from the table here, and does it have CP053? Yeah, the item number on the canvas is on the drill. So if you do store your diamond painting canvas and your drills separately, you should be able to match them up, which I do. I do store my canvases and drills separately. So yeah, it does look like, I mean, it is a scenery beach scene, so it's just mainly more muted colors. But yeah, I think the fact that on screen, I think this actually looks pretty good. I think it'll turn out well. Oh, I forgot to measure. So it does say on the canvas that it is a 30 by 40, but looking at it, it's probably 30 by 40 is the canvas size, and the picture itself is a little bit less than 25 across, centimeters across, and that looks pretty much 35. So yeah, I expect these canvases that you get from Amazon to be more canvas size as opposed to picture size. So I was expecting this to be a 25 by 35. So yeah, stay tuned for the completion, which will be at the end of this video. Hello, so it's finished. So yeah, this is the original image. I did call it Palm Tree Beach, and like I said before, this was from YZHI on Amazon. I did this as a product review, so they sent it to me for free for a product review. But on Amazon, it's right now or at least as of me making this video, it was $7.29. So it is a 25 by 35. The canvas was poured glue. There were circle, round drills. They did have DMCs, and there were only 20 colors. So this took me 2 days to do. So here it is. Yeah, I mean, it might be a tiny bit pixelated, but considering it is a 25 by 35, I think it turned out pretty good. In case you need a reminder, here's the original image. There were only 20 colors, so this actually ended up being a really, really easy project. Like, I think I've been currently working on bigger projects, well, bigger as in like a 40 by 50, and considering how much bigger that is compared to this, this was just a lovely, fun, like, I thought it was easy, but not super easy, that it was boring, because although there were only 20 colors, there is a bunch of, it's a little bit more confetti heavy here, but there were portions of color blocking. So if you need some sort of color blocking, there was enough color blocking in this. But I think for the size, the image turned out pretty good, I think. So I was tempted to like replace some of the drills with like rhinestones, but there was I just didn't have enough red. I was tempted to change this color here into a rhinestone just to give it more of a water effect, but I just didn't have enough. So, and plus, since I am doing this as a product review, I kind of wanted to show it in its original format and without me doing any changes. But yeah, so let's see. My main criticism of it was a couple of the symbols were too big to cover. So, so the main one that I had an issue with was this 743, which is this parentheses, and it's a yellow color, and this R, which is this like beigey color. So, so yeah, like right, I don't know if you can see, like here, under the yellow, you could see the top of the parentheses or the bottom of the parentheses, and I really did try to move the drills around to cover the whole parentheses, but it just wasn't covering it. So, and some like, and the R, like these were the R ones right here, and you could see the what they call that, the arm, I guess, of the R underneath. So I did try to cover it. So I think the lesson of that is any of these lighter colors, they need to use smaller symbols. I mean, like an equal sign is great because it just it gets completely covered. Like this star is great too because it gets completely covered. But what's it called? Even probably this would get covered. So, but this just was super big. Like, I mean, I don't know if this font of the font of the lettering on the symbols was much bigger than normal diamond paintings, but so the symbols were super clear. I had zero problems trying to figure out what was what, but maybe because they were bigger than normal. But other than that, everything else I thought was fine. The drills were pretty much similar quality to diamond paintings that you get in these budget-friendly prices. So you can't compare quality to the higher end diamond paintings that are more expensive, but it was pretty much typical of what you normally get on these budget-friendly diamond paintings. So yeah, and I did not run out of anything. I had plenty of drills left for everything. But yeah, other than that whole like the parentheses and the R, I just could not cover them, and I could see it, and you could see it too. Other than that, I didn't have any issues with this. So yeah, so now I'm just going to put this in my art portfolio because that's what I do at the end of my completions, or you know, I frame it. So there it is. So I had no problems with the diamond painting from YZHI. Right now they don't have that many things in their inventory, so I'm guessing they might be, the fact that they even contacted me to do a review of it means they're probably are going to try to maybe ramp up what they have. But yeah, when I last looked, they had just a few diamond paintings. They had a few paint by numbers. So my guess is maybe they'll start having more available. I did not get the most popular image. The most popular image was something from Star Wars, which yeah, I have not really watched. So I guess I could be one of those diamond painters that just diamond paint anything regardless of whether you know who the characters are. But yeah, no, I haven't really watched Star Wars. I mean, I've watched them, but I'm not like, I don't remember that much, you know, like I've watched them, but I'm like, okay. I just don't remember all the backstory. I enjoyed when I watched it, but not enough that I'm gonna rewatch it. So yeah, it might just be one of those I just need to give another chance, and I'll enjoy it the second time around because, but yeah. So I did not get the Star Wars one, but it is their most bought one based off of just how many comments there are on the listing. But I will link, what's it called, this diamond painting and then their Amazon store below. And you could go check them out. I do hope that they have more variety of what they have in there because, like I said, they only have just a handful of items. So I also hope that they try doing some of those 4-packs because I do end up liking buying 4-packs from Amazon just because, you know, I feel like you get more bang for your buck. So yeah, I'm going to go put this in there. Where is my double-sided tape? I can't find the roll that I was using, so here's a different roll. Oh, just spilled my pens. Sorry. So, I'll fix that after the video. Yeah, I am working in a new area than I was before, so still trying to organize it. But yeah, I'm just putting this, I'm going to put this in my art portfolio. This is just some construction paper that I have cut to fit the art portfolio, which is pretty much a 30 by 40 art portfolio. And my construction paper was slightly bigger than that, so I did end up cutting it a little bit to fit. Okay, so, and I'm just gonna put that in the center. well, how centered it looks to me. And oop, I didn't put that in strong enough. So, I mean, if you were gonna permanently, so I tend to just put my stuff in an art portfolio and then I take it out when I want to frame it and then I put it back when I'm done framing it, kind of thing, because that way I can switch out what's hung up. So, and I've been putting them in these like 12 by 16 frames. So there it is, ready to put into my art portfolio. Which is here. And there's my last one. And here it is. So sorry my arm's in the way, but there you go. Now I could admire it. Let's see. Well, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Please remember to like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know how I'm doing. All right, bye.